everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can create this really fun macrame pattern using beads and vertical lark's head knots. Let's get started. To begin, I just went ahead and attached 2 ropes to my dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now, take your first bead and slide it onto the 2 cords in the middle. First by sending the left cord horizontally through the bead, and then by sending the right middle cord parallel alongside that cord. Pull those 2 cords together to tighten up the bead and slide it up into place. Now, take the cord here on the far left and tie 3 vertical lark's head knots around the middle left cord. Now, do the same on the right side. The far right cord is going to tie around the middle right cord with those vertical lark's head knots. Now slide your next bead into place on the 2 cords in the middle as you did before. Just like that. Now repeat both sides of your vertical lark's head knots as you did before. Attach your next bead as you did before. Now just keep repeating the same steps over and over again until you have reached the desired length. Now, depending on how tight your bead fits, you can technically finish your project just like this, but if you would like to make it even more secure, I suggest tying a square knot at the bottom. Just like that. And now our cool little beaded vertical lark's head knot pattern is complete. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.